Excellent. Hello and welcome back to Tsp Chef. Today au menu, mushroom à la grecque, an ideal dish as a starter eaten hot or cold or as a part of a buffet. So as usual, let's do this. So to make those mushroom à la grecque, you will need obviously manitaria, which is mushroom in Greek, some onions, lemons, tomato paste. I've got little bayleaves and thyme here, some coriander seeds, a little water, some white wine, dry preferably, some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. So on the stove, medium heat, I've got a large pan because you need to take all this mushroom. I previously chopped my onions and I'm going to add a little splash of olive oil in the pan, not too much, there you go. And in it, I'm going to sweat my onions for 5 minutes. To that, I'm going to add coriander seed. There you go, and I'm going to sweat that for 5 minutes, like I just said. This dish reminds me when I first came in this country. I used to work in a Greek restaurant, and I used to make them every day. 5 minutes done, I'm adding the tomato paste. Make it stir, there you go. And I'm going to add my liquid, a little water. White wine. This is just to rinse the bowl. There you go. The white wine goes in it. My bay leaves and thyme goes in it as a little bouquet garni. And I'm going to squeeze my lemon in it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bring this to the boil and we're going to simmer it for 5 minutes and then add the mushroom. Before that, I need to add some salt. There you go. Black pepper. Okay, my sauce is boiling. I'm going to reduce that for 5 minutes. And then I will add my mushroom, which has been washed. Don't leave your mushroom in the water because it will get soaked with it. Just rinse them. Right, there you go. My little sauce reduced a little bit. And to that, I'm just going to add my mushroom as they are, and I'm gonna cook them for 15 minutes. There they go. Once your mushrooms are in the pan, just bring it back to the boil. Won't take long. That's it, and just reduce the heat and then cook it for 15 minutes at medium heat. Now after 15 minutes, my mushroom's been on the stove, we stop the cooking process. Now, my tip, if you want to eat them cold, let them cool down at room temperature, then put them overnight in the fridge and enjoy it the day after. But hot, I'm gonna have them now hot. Excellent. You can subsidize by all means the mushrooms. Artichoke, fennel, whatever you fancy. Finishing touch, a little parsley and a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. There you have it. Bon appétit on Tsp Chef. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace, and see you soon. Now let's enjoy this mushroom.
If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Tsp Chef.